for the following counties in Ohio: Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Lorain, Medina, Summit, Portage, and Trumbull counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: highest winds will likely occur during the afternoon hours. People should avoid trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. A weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Lorain, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Where? Lorain, Medina, Summit, Portage, and Trumbull counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: highest winds will likely occur during the afternoon hours. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The extended for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Hancock, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lucas, Mahoning, Marion, Morrow, Ottawa, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Stark, Wayne, Wood, and Wyandotte. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday.
I'm gonna get it back soon. I'm gonna get a new one.
Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.
There's really no other choice. I honestly feel like the universe is telling us something. Oh yeah, wow.
For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Hancock, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lucas, Mahoning, Marion, Morrow, Ottawa, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Stark, Wayne, Wood, and Wyandotte. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects.
This is like the fourth one?
Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. A weather